哎呀，感觉在给一帮小动物上课，好开心呀！Hello, Jordan. Perfect timing.
Hi.
Hi, we just finished the calculation. Okay, perfect timing. Don't worry about it. Did you just shave your hair?
Yesterday.
Yeah, I can tell. And you know what, everybody? So Jordan, we just talk about the trick-or-treating for next week, for tomorrow, okay? So we just said if the people like, I'm going to ask you to take a picture of all the trick-or-treating candies you get, and the one who get the most will get an extra gift from your teacher, Carrie.
I got 200 last year.
Yeah, so this year we're going to do even more, okay? Boys and girls, very good, okay? I have received Stella Lowe. Who's Stella Lowe? So Eleanor is no more Eleanor today. She's Stella today. Yes, it makes sense. Alexander, I'm very proud of you today. Hey, Alexander, did you notice that you make a big progress today? Correct? 哎呀，老师表扬你的时候怎么一点没反应的啦？快点，表现的很高兴的样子，快点，快点。然后我不上课了，我又不上课，我摆烂，我现在开始睡觉。你看，Alexander 不理我。OK，理我了。OK，Okay, so Stella and Alexander has sent it to me. How many questions you did? Okay, Amelia and Anna, how many questions you did? And Jordan, by the way, where are you going? Jordan 走掉了，Jordan 不知道去哪里了。
他去找他妈妈。
他去找他妈妈干嘛呢？
哼。
Okay, Jordan. Okay, good. Back to the thing. Okay, so today we're going to learn something. It's called. Okay, so today, everybody, we are going to learn the thing. It's called calculate the area of the circle. Everybody, so we have learned how to calculate the area of a square. Correct, everybody? We have also learned how to calculate the area of what? Nobody knows?
A triangle.
The triangles. Very good. Okay. So today I want everybody to learn how to calculate the area of the circle. Is it okay? Mm-hmm. Okay, so let's do the first thing. Okay, so I want to ask everybody a very simple question first. What is a circle? Jordan
Shape.
什么 what the question is? Teacher, are you okay? Why are you asking me some very weird question? What is a circle? Okay, so this is a very important thing, okay? So we have a circle here, okay? Everybody, you know that this is a circle, correct?
That's an oval.
Okay, so with the circle, there's a very important thing. Every single circle, they have a thing in the middle. Okay, so we call this middle. Sorry, I have a new pen today. I'm getting used to it. This is called center. 怎么这么小？我写的字啊，不行，写的大一点。So did you see there's a little dot inside, so in the center? Did you see that, everybody? Okay, so if you see that, so this is called the center of the circle. Okay, so Anna, let me ask you a very simple question. So the center, if we said, is O. Okay. So we call this circle center O. So circle O, I'm sorry, okay? So if we have the center named P, so we call this circle what? Circle P. Get it, everybody? If we have the center named Alexander, so this circle is circle Alex. Get it? So the name of the circle is actually named by the center of the circle. Correct, Jordan? I think you still remember that, right? So now there's also another very, very important thing, okay? So everybody remember, if I want you to take notes, I'm going to do what? I am going to sing the song, correct, boys and girls? So when I sing the song, that means you need to take notes. So every single line start with the center to the circle. That means they're what? They are all the same. Sorry, now I'm just acting like a sloth. Everything is so slow because I'm still getting used to use this pen. Okay. Everybody, did you get it? Okay. So every single line starting with the point center to the circle, they're all the same. They're all the same. And they have a name. It's called radius. Okay. Oh my God. I better just type.
Radius?
Yeah, radius. Thank you. Radius. Okay. So that's the name of the line, which is starting from the center to the circle. So every single one is the same. Sorry, forget my drawing method. 本来老师画画就不好，然后换了一个新的笔，画画就更差了。Get everybody? Understand, Jordan? Okay.
Yes.
So now there's another thing is called what? It's called diameter. Okay. So diameter represent a line which is going through the center, but both end is located on the circle, but they grow going through the middle. Oh. 我的老天爷呀！真的，老师今天就像一个 sloth 一样。看到了没有，小朋友们 ？Okay, so you can see there is a line that the start is on the circle and the end is also on the circle, but the middle is go through the center. So this one is called diameter. So can you please take a look at the definition of diameter and the radius and tell me what is their relationship? Everybody, can you guess it? And please send it to me by chat. Don't tell it by word. Okay, so I think everybody knows that, right? Because 2 radius actually equals to what?
One diameter.
1 diameter. Very good. 我们班小朋友都很聪明, okay? So 2 times radius actually equals to what? actually equals to 1 diameters. Very good. Okay, so that's the thing. So today we're not only just going to learn how to calculate the area, but we're going to learn how to calculate the circumferences of the circle as well. Okay, so what is the circumferences? Is actually the name of what? The perimeter of the circle. Understand? So everybody, so we say square or rectangle, the outer side or the distance is called perimeter. But when we're talking about the circle, they have a different name. Like for instance, Eleanor today is called Stella, right? So they have the same name, is called circumferences. Understand, Jordan? So different things have different, so we can just short them as circle. So like C is meant circumferences equals 2 times radius times pi. Hey, how to do pi? I don't even know how to do pi.
Just do PI.
Okay, let's do pi. But actually, you can write it as like that. Okay, 我要用我的笔了。Pi. Like that. Everybody, 老师再写的大一点啊。今天 please bear with me. You have a sloth teacher. 哦，我要把我的名字改掉。今天把我的名字改掉 ，Sloth Carry。
Why are you a rabbit then?
No, today 那个不是那个吗？不是那个 Halloween 吗？
No, it's tomorrow.
Yeah, but it's close. We can be rabbit. So everybody get it? So this is called pi, okay? 所以小朋友们自己可以在自己的本子上写下来 okay? Pi, how you write pi? It's like that. Okay? So, but some people said, what is pi? I don't get it. What is pi? Pi is everything related
3.14.
to circle. Yeah, if the value is 3.14. Okay, so everybody, today we don't have to really calculate it out. For instance, if I told you, okay, for the radius of this circle is 2 centimeter, and how to calculate the circumferences equals what? Equals 2 times
Times 2
times,
times 3.14.
yeah, but we don't have to really calculate 3.14. Thank you, Jordan. So 2 times 2 equals 4. 4 pi is the answer. But don't forget the unit, centimeter. Get it? Okay, so if we have a question is radius equals 4 meters. So how we get it? So the circumferences, which is perimeter of the circle, equals 2 times 4 times pi. 哎，老师有没有字写的好看起来了 ？Okay, I'm getting used to it. Okay, it's getting better. Okay, it's 8 pi meters. Get it, everybody? Get it?
Just writing it down.
Okay, yeah, you write it down. Okay, so you can take notes right now. I give you 1 minute, okay? So next time we're going to try to practice. Okay, everybody. So now I'm going to give you some questions to practice, okay? So first question. 哎呀，等等等等等啊！哎呀，老师我真是现在用了这个新的这个东西以后啊，不仅是新的，这个 Zoom 新的我也很不习惯。So radius first one equals 10 centimeter. That's the first question, okay? Second question, radius equals 4 km. Number 3, radius equals 11 miles. 字写的真是好奇怪啊。Number 4, radius equals 25 centimeters. Number 5 is the hardest one. Diameter equals 40 centimeter. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everybody, I want you to calculate the circumference. Okay, so circumference is what? Is, you know that, right? Is the perimeter.
Wait, what's number 3? Miss Kira,
Number
what's
3 is
number
11 miles.
Okay.
Okay, so everybody, I'm going to call one by one, okay? So the first question I want to ask, Anna, can you tell me the answer? So if the radius is 10 centimeter, what is circumferences? For what? So for the whole entire 4 minutes I'm waiting for you, you're not doing anything. And meanwhile, you're not even asking me. Hey, Carrie, I don't understand this. Could you just explain it to me again? Anna, could you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. So why you're not asking me? Okay, so I want you to take a look at the other student, what they're doing. If you don't understand, you can ask me again. Understand? Okay, so there's nothing like pretend understand in my class. Understand? Okay, so first question. Eleanor, Stella. Stella, could you please tell me how to do the first circumferences of the circle?
2 times 10 times pi
2 times 10 times pi, yes, equals what?
equals 20 centimeters.
Very good. 20 pi centimeter. Understand, Anna? So all you need to do is just using 2 times the radius and times pi. I don't want you to calculate 3.14. Just to leave the pi as it is. Understood? Okay, so number 2, your turn. The radius is 4 this time. So equals what? Anna, can you hear me? Okay, so first one. So what is the first thing? 2, right? So what is the radius for this question?
4 centimeters.
For what? For what?
Here.
What?
Kilometers.
Very good. 2 times 4. And now then times what?
Pi.
Very good. So can you tell me 2 times 4 equals what?
2 times 4 is 8.
Very good. So it's 8 pi. So what is the unit here?
Kilometers.
Very good. You're done. Understand, Anna? But the thing is, you just sit there. You're wasting your entire hour. And plus, why do that? Right? It's not worth it. Okay, next question, Amelia. Okay, yeah, Amelia, 你这个脸上不知道是什么东西了啊。Okay, 第3题, your turn.
221 pi miles.
不对。So let's take a look at this one. We're doing the circumferences, right?
22.
Yeah. So please give me the equation.
2 times radius,
Which is
11 times pi equals 22 pi.
What is a unit?
Miles.
Very good. Understand, Anna? Okay, so why I'm talking to Amelia, why I'm talking to Stella, why I'm talking to Alexander, it doesn't mean that you can just do whatever. You are still doing the question with them as well to check if you do it right or not. Okay, Alexander, you're the number 4. Could you please tell me how to do number 4, please?
$25 times 2 times pi.
Equals
50 pi cm.
very good. Good job, Alexander. Very good. Okay, next one, last one but not least. Jordan, can you tell me how to do number 5?
40 divided by 2 equals 20. 20 times 2 again is 40. And then 40 times pi is 125.60.
Okay, very good. So 40 pi centimeter. Okay, so now everybody, I want you to focus on the last question, okay? Jordan's very smart. Jordan noticed that I didn't give him the radius. I gave him the diameters at that time, right? So he first divided by 2 in order to get the radius, and then times 2 to get it back to how to find out the circumferences. So now I just want everybody, yeah, you actually don't have to divide it by 2 and times 2 at the same time. So everybody, other than the circumferences, is equals to 2 times pi, 2 times r times pi, okay? It's also equals diameter equals pi. Why? Because 2 times r is exactly equals to diameter. Get it, everybody? Correct? Am I right? 对不对？对不对？因为它什么？哎，它两个本来就是一样的。So if we know the diameter, we can just directly using the diameter 40 times pi equals 40 pi centimeter. Correct, Jordan? Correct, Amelia?
Yeah.
Understand, Anna? Okay, so now let's take a look at this one, okay? 我想跟很多小朋友说，安娜是我们新刚刚来的小朋友，对不对？有些小朋友说，哎，我上网课，反正老师也看不到我，对不对？哎，我在那边放羊好了。你问问看，我们班里的小朋友 dummy dude，对吧？7779，对不对？虽然他是个 dummy dude，对不对？但是我们上课的时候有没有一个小朋友就坐在那里什么事情都不做的？有没有的？Do we have anybody just sit there la di da? Do we have anybody like that? No. Okay. Everybody need to try to be their best because I know it looks like I cannot be with you all the time, but I am with you all the time. Correct, everybody? Okay. So now we're going to do another 5 questions. Okay. So this time,
We find out the areas this time.
nope, still circumferences, but I'm very quickly move to area. Okay. I promise you, Jordan. 那你们有没有觉得老师现在写字稍微快一点起来
No.
？Come on.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Amelia 可坏了，最会逗老师了，是不是？ Okay, everybody, 5 questions very quickly. 1 minute. Okay, so everybody, let's take a look at this one. Okay, So D equals 20 centimeter. So the first question goes to Amelia.
Okay. So 20 pi cm.
Very good. 20 pi cm directly. This one, we don't have to do anything. Okay, next one. The rainbow sunglasses Stella.
Sunglasses?
Yeah, rainbow sunglasses Stella. Can you tell me how to calculate the circumferences of if the radius is 100 kilometer?
2 times 100 times pi equals 200 pi kilometers.
Very good. Good job. Okay, next one. Okay, so Anna, can you tell me if the diameter is 45 centimeter?
Do we have to divide?
I ask you, do we have to divide?
Yeah.
I ask you. So the circumferences has two ways to calculate. Either it's 2 times radius times pi, right? Second one is diameter times pi. Correct? So which one you're going to use? We know this one, we know diameter. So you're using the first one or the second one?
Second one?
Very good. So the second one is diameter times pi. So could you please tell me what is the circumferences of this one?
45
45 and then?
centimeter.
So what did you forget this one?
A
pi. Pi, very good.
Centimeter.
Very good. Good job. Very good. See, Anna, you can do it, right? All you need to do is start to use your brain and your pen. 把笔拿起来。什么时候只是看着别人坐在旁边 you're never gonna get the chance to involve us. 对不对？我们每一个小朋友一开始的时候都是拿着笔在旁边坐着的，对不对？有个叫 Alexander 的小朋友。So could you please tell me if the radius is 26, what is the circumferences of this circle? Alexander? Hey, wake up! 那 Alexander 是不是又没把那个声音打开？那打开了呀。Alexander, could you please tell me number 4 how to do it?
26 times 2 times pi equals 54.
50 what? 50 what? 50 what? 50 what? 26 times 2 equals what? Who can
50 52
Very good. 52 pi. So what is a unit?
meters.
Very good. Last but not least, okay, Jordan, the radius is 900 kilometers.
900 times 2 is 100. 1,800. 1,800 times pi is 3,652.
Okay.
0.00. I did every single one times pi.
Okay. 哎，小朋友们， this one is super big. 1800 kilometer. That means what? 我这个走一圈累死了啊，对不对？是不是走一圈累死了？ Okay, so now everybody, since we already understand how to do the circumferences, which is perimeter, right? So what's next? We'll move forward to the area. Okay, so if we have an area, the most important thing still is what? The center of the area. Okay, sorry, I'm going to change it to this one. So the center of the area is very important, okay? So of course, when we have the center of the area, we're going to have a what? We're going to have a radius. Correct? When we have a radius, we're going to have a what?
Ryan.
Very good. Thank you. Okay, so the green one is diameter, and the red one is a what? Is a radius, right? Okay, so I'm going to just tell you for the area equals what? Equals pi, equals radius times radius times pi. Okay, it looks like it's nothing related to diameter, but if you take a look at this one, each of the radius equals the diameter divided by 2, right? So we can also write it as what? Diameter divided by 2 times diameter divided by 2 times pi. Correct, everybody? Okay, so please
Yes.
take notes of those ones first, okay? Please write it on. So for instance, if we have a radius equals 4 centimeter. Okay, so the area equals what? Equals 4 times 4 times pi equals what? Equals 16 pi centimeter square. Get it, everybody? Okay, so there's only one thing is different. It's because there are 2 radius has been times together. So this time we have what? We have a little 2 thingy on top of it.
Where
So if I'm going to, understand everybody? Okay, so if I give you the diameter equals 10 centimeter, so we need to do what? We need to change them to radius first. So diameter divided by 2 equals what? Equals 5 centimeter. So the area equals 5 times 5 times pi equals 25 pi centimeter square. Get everybody? Okay, so I'm going to just let you taking notes right now. Get it? Okay. So practice time is here, okay? Practice time is here. 哎呀 ，Jordan 又把魔方拿出来了啊！要不要打屁股啊？我看来是要打屁股了。Jordan 说：“老师，快来，快来打我的屁股，让老师打我屁股，让我觉得开心。” Okay, 4 questions. Sorry, 5 questions. Each of you are going to get one. Okay.
can I do the last one?
好，可以。我最后一题做出的最难，好不好 ，Jordan？
Can I do the first one?
好，可
I
以。
need enough
Anna
time
给你做，Anna 给
Times
你做第
every
一。
single thing by pi.
我给你出一道最难的 Jordan。
Okay.
有没有害怕？你看 Jordan 害怕了。Yeah. Okay, so everybody, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each of you are going to.
7?
Yeah, 7 centimeter, and it is diameter.
Is Carrie, is the first one G?
No, 6
啊
centimeter. Why G? 肯定是个数字呀，对不对？Okay, so now I'm going to ask, like I said, okay, I promise Anna, the first question is belongs to her, okay? So Anna, 看老师说话算不算数？老师说话算数，你也要说话算数啊，对不对？ So what is area?
Area is 4 times 4 times.
哪里有 4？ 哪里有 4？
I mean, like
Six.
6 times 6 times pi.
Very good. Equals what?
6 times 6 is wait,
6 times 6 equals what?
6 times 6 is 36
So 36 what?
centimeter.
那派不要啦，又把派丢掉了。
pi
对呀，centimeter
centimeter.
square. Okay, don't forget this little two thingy. Okay, don't forget this little two thingy. 而且不要把派丢掉了啊，不然派一个人在那里哭了，对不对？那你想想看好了，你爸爸妈妈出去玩，对吧？带着你哥，然后带着你，然后回家的时候你不见了啊，就带着你哥回来了，你会不会哭的？也会哭的，对不对，安娜？Okay, okay, don't forget pi. Okay, okay, next one. Diameter equals 10 centimeter. Eleanor, could you please tell me?
10 divided by 2 equals 5.
Mm-hmm.
5 times 5 times pi equals 25 pi centimeter square.
Very good. 25. 哎呀，我这个字又，哎呀，25 centimeter square. OK， 写的有点丑啊，算。Forgive me. OK, next one. Number 3. Alexandra, could you please tell me how to do number 3?
Mm, 10 times 10 times pi equals 100 pi cm.
cm what 有没有少一个什么东西？
cube.
对了，这个东西叫 square，OK，叫 square，OK，好，OK， number 4, Amelia，very good, Alexander, good job.
Number 4.
Number 4,
40 divided by 2
equal,
equals 20, and then 20 times 20 equals 400 centimeters square.
very good, but did you forget something? Amelia， 你跟 Anna 一样，把谁丢了？把 Anna 给丢
哎
外面。对了，啊，Anna 出去玩的时候有的，回来的时候没了。Okay, so next one, last one. Jordan, can you tell me how to do this one?
7 divided by 2 is 3.5. 3.5 times 3.5 is 11.35. And then 11.35 times pi is 35.6390.
Oh, 3.5 times 3.5 is 12.25.
Oh,
Yeah, 有一点点错 ，OK, but still good. So pi
no.
centimeter square. But at least 你没有把 Anna 丢了啊，Anna 还在。OK, Anna 还跟我们在一起。好多小朋友把 Anna 丢了，Anna 自己也把自己丢了。Okay, everybody, very good. Okay, so today we have learned that both the area and the circumferences of the circle. We have learned a lot, and do you know that this one in Canada's curriculum, we are going to learn it like grade 7, something like that. Okay, so we did a fantastic job, everybody. I'm so proud.
Why is a seedling growing out of cellulose head?
我不想理你这种问题，我跟你说啊，跟我们数学一点关系都没有的。Okay, so everybody, that's it for today's class, and congratulations tomorrow. I am going to wish you get the most of the candies other than compare with before, okay? 比以前拿的都要多，好不好？ Okay, that's it for today's class. We're going to see each other next week. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.